Hello, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. TikTok sensation Julie Mango, whose given name is Juliet Bodley, has stepped out of her comfort zone and is now exploring her musical talents. Bodley is known for her family-friendly skits on social media and is also a mental health advocate. Julie released her very first song, Other Side, early this month. The lyrics speaks about overcoming mental health, which she has personally experienced in the past, and is hoping to help others overcome their mental struggles through her music. Juliet is looking forward to making more inspirational music in the near future.
No, me have a story, I may tell it like so. And if I'm in my shop, me do that. No, me have a story, I may tell it like so. And if I'm in my shop, me do that. You never had to be proud for me. Never need crowd fit talk to me. Never must breathe it crowd for me. Always a smile around me. But I will get.
Now, Fun in the Sun is back. This Saturday, Pembroke Hall High School will be hosting the event's 18th staging after being on pause for 2 years due to COVID-19. Fun in the Sun is known to be very entertaining, a spiritual and family-oriented show which Jamaicans have been looking forward to annually. This year, American pastor Donnie McClurkin will again be a part of the ministry and also, along with his church, will be extending help to those in need. The show promises to be memorable and filled with attractions throughout the day. Now, on the international scene, American singer Brandy Norwood gave a health update after it was reported that she had to be hospitalized last evening after suffering a possible seizure. This comes 5 years after Brandy had to be transported to hospital after losing consciousness on a flight at Los Angeles International Airport. The singer posted on Instagram hours after the incident, assuring fans that she's okay. She stated that she is resting due to dehydration and low amounts of nutrition and thanked her fans for sending love and light. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.